Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a cutout text effect on your Canva on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this cutout text effect on the Canva on your computer, I'm just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on the app section on the side. Now click just search as text cutout. Type as text and cut out, and just click on the search option. So here you can find you can just find the text cutout app here. So just scroll down, and here you can find it's a type cutout. You can just search as type cutout or text cutout. So now here you have to change the text if you just need it. So you can just click after changing this, you can just change the font, and if you can also use your own image to create this effect. Click on this change image option, choose the file from your computer. So I just going to make this pattern. You can see how it's look like, and you can just change the background color if you just need it like white or darker. And then you have this option to change the colors, and here you can change the position by you can just change the color by using the position. You can just arrange this, and you can just adjust it, and you can done it with that, and just go with this, could be nice. And then just click this, and now here you have option to rotate, and also this you can just scale it and click on the add design option. So your design has been added. So I just can go with black. So the design has been added. So just change the background to black, so it will be look like this. So this is how I just create this text effect on the Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet the next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.